my friends, what's up? Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video we have a look of Ecomi or Omi coin. What's the price change goes in Omi? What's the high price of Omi? And a lot of people confuse that what is the best time to buy, sell or hold Omi. So in this video I will give you the answer of your question. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel and also press the bell icon for new latest news and updates notification. Now let's see the price prediction of Omi coin. What's the change goes and the last 1 hour, friends. As you can see here, that is the last 1 hour price prediction. After that we look the last 1 day, and after that we look the last 7 day price prediction. As you can see here, friends, the last 1 hour price change occur in the Omi coin is about negative 1.47% change occur in the Omi coin. As you can see here the graph, now at this time they are also in the falling mood, that is why they falls down and the changes is a negative. The high price of Omi is about $0.009055, very less amount. As you can see here they are falling down, so they are also falls down. Now let's see the last 1 day price prediction of the Omi coin. After that we I will told you the question, the answer of your questions in this video. The last 1 day price prediction, as we know, the change occur in the Omi coin in the last 1 day as about positive 1.04%. Absolutely good change occur in the previous 1 day. But if you look the as I show you the last 1 hour price prediction chart, last 1 hour price change are negative, but the previous hour period as absolutely goes upward. As you can see, that is why the change is positive. Positive 1.04% change occur in the Omi in the last 1 day, and the high price of Omi is about $0.009501 is the high price of Omi and the last 1 day. Friends, that is the last 1 day price prediction. Now it's time to look the last 1 week price prediction. What's the price change goes and the 1 week and the 7 days of Omi coin. Oh my goodness, so they are negative. I can't excitement. It's really I can't. My expectation is not from Omi that they are negative. Negative 0.2% change occur in Omi coin, and the high price is $0.009570 is the high price of Omi in the last 7 day. So friends, if you look the last 7 day price prediction chart, so the price prediction chart tell us that the 4th April they start jumping upward on the 4th April, and after the 5th April, the 5th and 6th April they continuously they recover their jump in the 2 days. And as you can see here, the 8th April they again take a high explosion. 8 and 9 April they high explosion, but unfortunately as you can see here today as the 10th April and the 10th April they start dumping again. The falling down of the Omi coin starts now. So friends, now it's the best time to buy, sell or hold. So my suggestion for all of you that it's the best time to hold your Omi coin. I'm also a holder of Omi, that is why my suggestion for all of you, my plan to hold my Omi coin with the last half this month, and I'm selling it 27 28 April soon. So friends, my suggestion for all of you, that's please hold it. And if you want to buy Omi coins, so when they start high explosion, when this to go move upward, so it's the best time for you to buy Omi coin. What's your opinion about Omi coin? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.